Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y36 and let me show you how to activate Freeform Windows. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and go to Developer Options. Now scroll a bit lower and here you will notice Enable Freeform Windows. So if you want to turn on support for experimental Freeform Windows, let's mark it here, and now you can either reboot it right now or reboot later. This reboot is required to enable Freeform support. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.